Assalamualaikum. Today I'm introducing another piece of Pakistan literature. You may be wondering what happened to my character Janu star news commentator. I'm very sorry about that. I was still trying to figure out what kind of character would click with Pakistan audience. Hope you will stick me with while I work it out. Shukriya. Alright, let's get to the main topic today. I'm talking look Patas Bokhari. Is it true? Is it correct pronunciation? Patras Bokhari collection of essays. I wish I could buy the English version on Amazon, but no luck. So for now, my knowledge is mostly based on ChatGPT's AI recommendations. One essay that caught my attention is Mizra Sahab. Apparently, Mizra is an incredibly stubborn, well, let's just say eccentric character. His completely mismatched conversation with the protagonist are what makes me this piece hilarious. It may remind me of certain comedy duos Japan's stand-up manzai, where the humor comes from two different characters not being the same page at all. I'm really curious to dig deeper into Miz's character. If I don't get sidetracked, I explore him in my next post. See you next time. Shukriya and Pemrenge.